In the world of personal finance, the key to generating long-term wealth is investing in assets. This approach is radically different from simply saving money. Investing wisely can transform your financial future, leading you toward financial freedom. So, what are assets, and why are they so important for building personal wealth? Assets are essentially goods that have the potential to generate income or increase in value over time. Some common examples of assets include stocks, bonds, real estate, investment funds, businesses, and more. The reason assets are so powerful is that they allow your money to work for you. Instead of simply keeping your money in a savings account that earns little interest, investing in assets enables you to multiply your money and generate passive income. Passive income is essential for long-term wealth generation because it allows you to earn money without actively working for it. This means that as your assets generate income, you can reinvest those earnings to continue growing your wealth. This cycle of investing and reinvesting is what can lead you to financial freedom. So, how can you start investing in assets? The key is to educate yourself and make informed decisions. Before you begin investing, it's important to understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and how much you're willing to invest. It's also crucial to diversify your investments to mitigate risk. In summary, investing in assets is the best way to build long-term personal wealth. By making your money work for you through assets that generate passive income, you can create a path to financial freedom and secure your economic future. No matter your age or financial situation, it's always a good time to start investing in assets and making your money work for you. Why invest in assets? Building long-term wealth. Assets, unlike liabilities, generate income or increase in value over time. Investing in assets such as real estate, stocks, or investment funds can provide a steady stream of income and capital appreciation, which is essential for wealth building. Income diversification. Relying on a single income source, such as your job salary, is risky. Assets provide additional income sources, diversifying your earnings and reducing financial risk. There are several ways to diversify your income, including investing in stocks or real estate. Investments in assets like stocks or real estate can generate income through dividends, rental income, or capital gains. Starting a side business, launching a part-time business, or turning a hobby into an additional income source can be an effective way to diversify your earnings. Generating passive income. Seeking opportunities to generate passive income, such as selling digital products, investing in index funds, or participating in affiliate programs, can help you earn consistent extra income. Developing additional skills. Learning new skills or improving existing ones can open up opportunities for earning extra income through freelance work or consulting. Income diversification not only provides financial security but also allows you to take advantage of new opportunities and increase your ability to achieve long-term financial goals. It's important to consider different income sources and look for ways to maximize your earnings to ensure financial stability in the future. Inflation and the value of money. Over time, inflation reduces the value of money. Investing in assets ensures that your money not only retains its value but also grows, outpacing inflation. Inflation is the sustained increase in the prices of goods and services in an economy. This means that, over time, the same amount of money will buy fewer things due to rising prices. Therefore, the value of money decreases with inflation. To counteract this effect and ensure that money maintains or even grows in value, it's essential to consider investing in assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, precious metals, and more. These assets have the potential to offer returns that exceed the inflation rate, meaning that invested money will have greater purchasing power in the future. This way, the value of money is protected against erosion caused by inflation. It's important to note that while investing in assets can be an effective strategy for preserving and growing the value of money, it also carries certain risks, and seeking financial advice before making investment decisions is recommended. Tax benefits. Many forms of investment offer tax advantages. For example, certain investment accounts provide tax benefits that can maximize your returns. Additionally, some types of investments may qualify for tax deductions or exemptions, such as investments in renewable energy, historic properties, or local development projects. Another common tax benefit is the ability to defer taxes on investment gains, meaning you won't have to pay taxes on profits until you decide to sell the investment. There are also savings and investment programs with tax advantages, such as education savings accounts or retirement accounts, which offer special tax benefits to encourage long-term savings. In summary, seeking investments with tax benefits can help you maximize your returns and minimize your tax burden, making your money work harder for you. It is important to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to get guidance on investment options that offer tax benefits and how to make the most of them. Retirement planning. Investing in assets is crucial for a comfortable retirement. Accumulating assets throughout your working life ensures that you will have enough resources to maintain your lifestyle once you stop working. In addition to investing in assets, it is important to create a retirement plan that includes savings, investment funds, pension funds, life insurance, and other financial instruments that provide income during your retirement years. It is also crucial to consider health insurance and medical expenses in retirement planning. Healthcare costs increase as we age, so having a solid health insurance plan that covers your needs is essential. Another important aspect of retirement preparation is reducing debt. Before retiring, it is advisable to pay off any outstanding debt, such as student loans, mortgages, or credit card balances. This will provide you with greater financial security and allow you to enjoy your retirement without worries about unpaid debts. Additionally, it is important to consider how you will use your time during retirement. Many people choose to continue working part-time or engage in volunteer activities, hobbies, or travel. Having a plan to stay active and engaged during retirement can help you maintain a fulfilling and satisfying life. What types of assets should I consider? Real estate, stocks, bonds, investment funds, and owning a business are popular options. You might also consider assets such as precious metals like gold and silver or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Other options could include durable goods such as art, jewelry, or classic cars. Ultimately, the choice of assets will depend on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment time horizon. How can I start investing with little money? You can start with small amounts by investing in mutual funds or using apps that allow you to buy fractional shares. Another option is to invest in something you are passionate about, such as art collections, stamps, coins, or antiques, and sell them at a higher price over time. You can also explore the cryptocurrency market, where you can buy fractions of cryptocurrencies with a small amount of money. However, it is important to research and understand the market before investing in cryptocurrencies. Additionally, consider investing in your financial education so you can make informed decisions about how to invest and grow your money. Do I need a financial advisor? An advisor can be helpful, especially if you are new to investing. However, you can also learn and invest on your own through research and education. It depends on your knowledge and skills in the financial field, as well as your long-term financial goals. If you feel unsure or unprepared to manage your finances on your own, a financial advisor can provide you with guidance and expertise to help you make informed and sound decisions. However, if you are comfortable with investments and have a good understanding of your financial goals, you may not need a financial advisor. In any case, it is important to educate yourself on the subject and make informed decisions about how to manage your money. How can I protect myself from investment risks? Diversification is key. Do not invest all your money in a single type of asset. Research and fully understand the available investment options before making a decision. Consult a financial advisor or investment expert before making major decisions. Establish a long-term investment plan and do not let emotions or market fluctuations influence your decisions. Continuously monitor your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed. Avoid investments that you do not understand or that seem too risky. Maintain an emergency fund in case your investments do not yield the expected results. Can I achieve financial freedom just by investing in assets? Investing in assets is an important part, but you also need to manage your debts, increase your income, and save wisely. Achieving financial freedom is not just about investing in assets. While investing is crucial, it is also important to handle your debts responsibly, increase your income through strategies such as career development or investing in education, and save wisely to reach your financial goals. By combining all these strategies, you can get closer to financial freedom. Final thoughts. Investing in assets is essential for anyone looking to build wealth and secure their financial future. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, evaluate your goals and risk tolerance, and begin investing regularly. Over time, your investments can provide you with the financial freedom you desire and a solid financial legacy for your family. Remember, the path to wealth is not instantaneous, but with patience and strategy, it is entirely achievable. And if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and give this video a like. Remember, it's free, and it helps us continue creating quality content for you. See you soon.